High energy, high income. Say it with me. High energy, high income. This is Wesley Virgin here. Listen, if you want things in your life to change, you must vibrate higher. Understand this. Low energy people have low incomes. High energy people have high incomes. Why? Because they're vibrating on a certain level of life. Listen, if you want to manifest something in your life right now, anything, I don't care what it is, if you're able to align and vibrate on that frequency, listen, you can have it. Okay? Doesn't matter what it is, a car, home, people, significant other. If you right now can feel as if what you want is happening now, the universe will bring it to you. Now, what if I tell you there was a faster and easier way for you to do this? Many people say affirmations, but many people say affirmations and they're doing what they're trying to do incorrectly here. What I want to do is give you a script, words that you can use right now. Now listen, I know some of you are skeptical, and skeptical people will be broke for the rest of their life. I want you to have an open mind, no commitments now with me. All I want you to do is have an open mind, listen to the script, say it tonight over and over again, and watch how the thoughts that are in your mind called dreams will start to materialize in your physical world. I'll see you on the next page. Click to learn more. High energy, high income. Let's go.